Recipe for a bog. Block the gullies and grips where the river rises. Slow the downhill flow of peat-filled streams. Fell spruce and pine that thirst for moisture. Mulch parched earth with heather brash. Graft sphagnum moss from a healthy bank. Lay straw, feather light on fragments. Welcome rain, gaze at puddles spreading into ponds. Count frogs. Watch emperor moths in cotton grass. A spider trapped on sundew tendrils. Dragonflies skittish from butterwort to asphodel. And a pair of low-flying merlin. Wingbeat, glide.